Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. This side Priya Bhatia. And in this specific video, I'm again really happy to announce another amazing announcement, another request from maximum audience, where I have directly linked with via WhatsApp community group, Telegram group, LinkedIn, via email. One request which from the past few months I was getting again and again, and that is about the mathematical part in machine learning and data science. Before jumping towards that part, as I have already announced that ML course enrollments on Chai Code platform is now closed because of the limited intake with the limited time period. And now, if you are someone who is looking for that course, it's no more available. But definitely in future, once the very first batch of ML on Chai Code platform will get over, again we will try to relaunch the new batch, so you can wait for that specific time. But today's announcement is something which is different from that one. Again, with the limited seats, limited time period, enrollments will be open for this specific course as well. The course is about mathematical portion that we will be able to cover up. It's been almost 3 years I am teaching data science in the industry, and what I have observed is the significant gap with what mathematical intuition people knows. There's a limited set of topics which we should be aware about whenever we are talking about maths behind the data science portion per se. Whether you are learning machine learning, whether you are learning deep learning, whether you are learning NLP, somehow, even in DSA, I always say कि mathematical part plays a very significant role. And if you're not good with the logics, good with maths, definitely you will face a trouble because you will not able to understand the intuition behind any algorithm. And always remember, if you will see any of the research paper, you can open on Google Scholar any research paper, any new research paper, previous one, you will find one thing that in that research paper, researchers are using somehow mathematical things to find a new research, to find or to fulfill that gap. So that is where again maths plays a very important role. So if someone will say to me that Priya, I'm not good with maths, can I be great in data analytics, data science? My straightforward answer will be no. Even some people will say that I'm not good in maths, or I don't want to practice even. I don't love mathematical part, but I want to be good in DSA. Is that feasible? No. Straight answer is no. Because there are so many concepts where direct maths is linked, right? Same thing is happening for data science also. So today in this specific course, we are covering up mathematical part. And when I'm saying that, it's not that we are doing a curriculum of a masters of stats. Yes, in our colleges, in IITs, in IIC, you can see that there is a specific domain where people pursue masters in statistics, linear algebra, and so on. But here the objective is not that part. Objective is to limit our discussion towards whatever is beneficial to understand the project discussion. So, without wasting any time, now I will try to showcase you what are the things we will cover up, how the complete curriculum looks like, how many number of days are required to understand the end-to-end part. And after that, if you have any sort of doubts, any sort of discussions, definitely you can either mail me out or you can comment it down, and definitely I'll try to resolve it as soon as possible. The batch will start very soon, so please make sure you will do the enrollment with the limited seats because 50 seats are there. If it is finished before that, also I'll stop that thing. One more thing, because of the Independence Day, we are opening a 3-day sale on our website for all the courses. The coupon code is freedom, FREEDOM. Everything I'll showcase you in the screen also. But whatever I'm talking about here, please make sure you will see the description and everything is mentioned over there as well. So freedom is the coupon code. You can apply in any of the courses, whether it's a newly launched course or the previous courses which is available on my website, and you will straightforward get the 10% off while doing a purchase. With this, let's get started. So now, as you can see on the website of Tech for All with Priya.com, right? Uh, if you will go inside this, you will find the very first part, right? Where if you can go, you will be able to see the course of Mastering Stats for Data Science. Now, in this specific course, one thing which I would say is a prerequisite for everyone is the Python programming language, because when I'm saying we are learning maths behind data science, we will do the implementation of that as well. And to do the implementation, I will use the Python programming, because you know that maximum frameworks, for example, NumPy, for example, Pandas, which are there in Python, basically help us to do faster computations, and it would be very easy to implement as well. So our main focus is actually understanding the stuff, but at the same time, we'll do the implementation for the same. You can see that our classes will start from 2nd September onwards, and will go until 11th September. This date can be extended by 1 or 2 days. I'm not sure, but yes, minimum 10 days are required, but we can also go beyond that, depending upon the duration with which we are covering up the entire course. Sometimes students need a break also in between, so I usually give that, and accordingly we can get a extension of 1 or 2 days accordingly. Timing will be at night from 8 to 11, and there will be limited enrollments, 50 students only, as I always do. And after that, you can clearly see the course content, which is the important thing with respect to this specific course. In the basic to intermediate stats, it might be the case that many students have question that, Priya, is there anything which we're supposed to learn before joining this course? So as I told you that apart from Python programming, remaining things we have to do from scratch only in the course. So if you don't have any idea prior about what is stats, where it is being used, I'll covering up in the very start of the session from scratch, where I'll talk about definition, importance, types of data, types of stats, talking about the intuition about descriptive stats, where I'll talk about central tendency, dispersion, data visualization. In the probability theory, I'll talk about the basics of probability. I'll talk about conditional probability and Bayes theorem, which you know is very, very important. Then I'll talk about the distributions of probability, in which we are talking about different kinds of distributions like discrete, continuous, properties of each one of them. In the intermediate to advanced portion, we will obviously work upon linear algebra aspects, because again, that topic plays a very significant role in data science. After that, we also talk about sampling techniques. There are multiple type of techniques we have. Central limit theorem is again one of the most important theorem. After that, we will talk about inferential stats, where we will talk about hypothesis. And at the end, we will focus on correlation. We will see the difference between Pearson and Sperman correlation coefficient. We will talk about difference between correlation and causation, t-test, chi-square test, ANOVA test, z-test. Everything we will cover up in a very depth. And at the end, for example, whenever we are covering up these topics, we will take few case studies and try to apply whatever knowledge we are gaining in each and every aspect. So in terms of real world applications, we can take a case study from a business, healthcare, or finance specific data, and we can apply all those statistical methods to real time data set. That is the complete idea. So basically, when I'm saying this course is specifically for those people who wants to start their journey in data science, even I would suggest that if you are learning machine learning, maybe this is the first course which you should prefer, and then maybe you can deep dive into the algorithms of ML. This is must for everyone who wants to start their journey in the data analytics space, or in the, I would say, data science space, right? So again, one of the highly demanded course, and now I have created the complete curriculum of that. This is specifically required, one of the most important topics specifically for the projects per se and for the interviews per se, and that's how I have designed this course curriculum. I would be happy to discuss with you the feedbacks, whatever you have with respect to the curriculum, and I'm looking forward to many people in the course on 2nd of September. Definitely before that, I'll try to stop the enrollments. So please make sure, even these 3 days, as I told you, Independence Day is there. So you have on top of this a coupon code which you can apply, right? If you will click on this enroll now button, let me showcase you. If you can apply the coupon code FREEDOM, and you will click on apply, you automatically get the off over here, and then you can maybe go with the proceed section and you can complete the payment. Again, I'm so excited and looking forward in September. Maximum students in this course, at least those who were on a daily basis demand me that, Priya, can you bring up this mathematical portion? We are highly confused from where we should study. We don't have a proper structured content on the web. So here is how in the live sessions we will do. We will discuss, we will learn with each other and upskill ourselves. So with this, bye bye everyone. I hope you are excited with this news, and I'll see you all very soon.